Hello students, welcome to MGC Learning. I am Manju Dilip. Today I am going to start with the 12th standard mathematics topic differential equations part 1. In this chapter we are going to discuss order and degree of the differential equation and definition of differential equation, formation of differential equation, and solving some exercise questions based on that. Differential equation. Equations which contains the derivative of a function is called a differential equation. The following are differential equations. These are the examples of differential equations. So dy upon dx is equal to cos x, d square y upon dx square plus k square y is equal to 0, d square w upon dx square minus x square dw plus w equal to 0, d square y upon dt square plus d square x upon dt square is equal to x. Here x and y are functions of t. Another example is d cube y upon dx cube plus x dy upon dx minus 4xy equal to 0. Here y is a function of x. And the last example given here is r dr upon d theta plus cos theta is equal to 5. These are the differential equations which consist derivatives in this one. Now, order and degree of the differential equation. The order of a differential equation is the highest order of the derivative appearing in the equation. The degree of differential equation is the power of the highest order derivative present in the equation. That means in the previous example you can see if this is the differential equation, then here highest derivative, here both are highest derivative, so here the order of the differential equation is 2 and degree is 1. In both cases you can consider here, and here the order of the differential equation, that means highest derivative here is d square w upon dx square, second order derivative is here, this is first order derivative, so order is 2 and the degree is 1. That means you have to choose the highest order derivatives power. So here the power of this one is 1. So order is equal to 2 and degree is equal to 1. And here order is equal to 3 and degree is equal to 1. Now you understood the concept. Now note dy upon dx is also denoted by y dash, d square y upon dx square is also denoted by y double dash, dq y upon dx cube is also denoted by y triple dash, and so on. So the order and degree of a differential equation are always positive integers. Now some questions based on this one. Determine the order and degree of the following each of the following differential equation. The first question is d square y upon dx square plus x dy upon dx plus y is equal to 2 sin x. Here the higher order derivative, second order derivative is this one, first order derivative is here. So we will consider the order as highest one. So here 2 is the highest order derivative, so order of this differential equation is 2 and the power of this one is 1, so degree is equal to 1. Now cube root of 1 plus dy upon dx whole square is equal to d square y upon dx square. Here you have to remove this cube root. For that we have to take cube on both sides. So we'll take the power up to 3. So this cube root will remove from this part, and right in the right hand side you will get d square y upon dx square whole cube you will get. So here the highest order derivative is d square y upon dx, that means 2. So order is equal to 2 and the power of this highest order derivative is 3, so degree equal to 3. So if in the question if it is root and cube root symbols are coming, you have to take the power of that and remove this radical symbol, then you have to calculate, otherwise you will make mistake. So here dy upon dx is equal to 2 sin x plus 3 upon dy upon dx. So you will cross multiply this one. So dy upon dx whole square is equal to 2 sin x plus 3. Anyway here only one derivative is present in this one, but you have to cross multiply. So you will get like this, dy upon dx whole square is equal to this one. So here this is the first order derivative, so order is equal to 1 and degree is equal to 2. D square y upon dx square plus dy upon dx plus x is equal to root of 1 plus d cube y upon dx cube. Squaring both sides, you will get d square y upon dx square plus dy upon dx plus x whole square is equal to 1 plus d cube y upon dx cube. Now, the highest order derivative in this is d cube by this one, and this is inside this square, this one. So we are not expanding that. So here the highest order derivative is 3 and its degree is 1. Now the next question, y triple dash square plus 3 y double dash plus 3 xy dash plus 5y is equal to 0. So here this is the third order derivative, so order is equal to 3 and this degree is 2. Next question, 1 plus dy upon dx whole square whole raised to 3 upon 2 is equal to 8 d square y upon dx square. Squaring both sides, you can remove this 1 upon 2 from the left hand side and you will get right hand side as like this, 8 d square y upon dx square whole square. Squaring, you will get 64 d square y upon dx square whole square. Again we are taking the power and degree of this one, so order is 2 and degree is equal to 2. Formation of differential equation. Here we shall study the formation of differential equation when its general solution is given. If general solution contains only one arbitrary constant, then corresponding differential equation will be of order 1. Similarly, if general solution contains n arbitrary constants like C1, C2, capital A, capital B, these kinds of constants we are considering as arbitrary constants, and if it is n arbitrary constants are present in the differential equation, then the order of the differential equation is n. Obtain the differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant. The first question is x cube plus y cube is equal to 4ax. Here only one arbitrary constant is present, a. So you have to take derivative of this differential equation only once. That means dy upon dx you have to find out. Differentiating 3x square plus 3y square dy upon dx is equal to 4a. This is equation number 2. Now we can substitute in the place of 4a 3x square plus 3y square dy upon dx in the place of 4a. So substituting equation number 2 in 1, we will get x cube plus y cube is equal to 3x square plus 3y square dy upon dx into x. Now expanding this one, 3x cube plus 3xy square dy upon dx. Now taking these terms to the right hand side, 3x cube minus x cube minus y cube plus 3xy square dy upon dx is equal to 0. 2x cube minus y cube plus 3xy square dy upon dx is equal to 0 is the required differential equation here. Y is equal to a cos log x plus b sin log x. Given equation has sine and cosine terms in this one, which repeat after second differentiation. So you have to take twice derivative, and two arbitrary constant also there, so you have to take twice the derivatives, and the equation has two arbitrary constant also. So the given terms repeat after second differentiation, because sine and cosine functions are cyclic functions, so it will repeat after the second part. So the given terms repeat after the second differentiation. So y is equal to a into cos log x plus b sin log x is the given term, differentiating with respect to x. So dy upon dx is equal to a into minus sin log x into derivative log x is 1 upon x plus b cos log x into 1 upon x. Now you can take this x as the LCM here, then cross multiplying. So x dy upon dx is equal to minus a sin log x plus b cos log x. Differentiating with respect to x again, you will get x into d square y upon dx square plus dy upon dx into 1, that's equal to minus a into cos log x up into 1 upon x plus b into minus sin log x into 1 upon x. So x square, you will get x as the LCM here in the denominator, so you can cross multiply again. So this term will become x into x square d square y upon dx square plus x into dy upon dx is equal to minus a cos log x minus b sin log x. Now this term is you can take minus outside of these two terms, so minus of a cos log x plus b sin log x but this is the term which is given in this question y. So you can replace this one with a y. So minus y. So x square d square y upon dx square plus x dy upon dx plus y is equal to 0 is the required differential equation for this question. Next question is y square is equal to x plus c whole cube. Given equation contains only one arbitrary constant. So you will take only the first derivative, that is dy upon dx. So y square is equal to x plus c whole cube. Now you have to remove this cube in this right hand side. So taking cube root on both sides. So y raised to 2 upon 3 is equal to x plus c raised to 3 whole raised to 1 upon 3. That will cancel here. Differentiating with respect to x, 2 upon 3 y raised to minus 1 upon 3 dy upon dx is equal to 1. 2 upon 3 dy upon dx is equal to this y raised to minus 1 upon 3. You can written as 1 upon y raised to 1 upon 3, and cross multiplying you will get like this. So 2 upon 3 dy upon dx whole cube. Again we are taking the cube on both sides to remove this 1 upon 3. So y raised to 1 you will get like this. So 2 raised to 3 is 8 and 3 cube is 27. So 8 upon 27 dy upon dx whole raised to 3 minus y equal to 0 is the required differential equation here. Next is ax square plus b y square is equal to 1. Here two arbitrary constants are there, so you have to take the derivative twice. Differentiating with respect to x, 2ax plus 2by dy upon dx is equal to 0. We are giving equation number 1 as the given question, and this is second question. By differentiating once again, 2a plus 2b into, you have to take this is u into v format. So first function and this is second function. So y into d square y upon dx square plus dy upon dx into dy upon dx is equal to 0. So 2a plus 2b into y d square y upon dx square plus dy upon dx whole square is equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Now we have 3 equations and 2 unknowns. So by determinant method we can solve this one. So coefficient of a and b we are taking here. So here x square, y square, and this constant is 1. Here it is 2x plus 2y dy upon dx 0, and here it is 2y d square y upon dx square plus 2 dy upon dx whole square 0 is equal to 0. Now determinant value you can find it by expanding like this. So you are getting 4xy d square y upon dx square plus 4x dy upon dx whole square minus 4y dy upon dx is equal to 0. You can remove this 4. So you will get xy d square y upon dx square plus x dy upon dx whole square minus y dy upon dx is equal to 0 is the answer for this question. Now some exercise questions are given to you. You have to solve it. All the question consists two arbitrary constants, so you have to take derivative twice. Thank you.